I got it. Don't worry. Lots of audio issues. Audio here, audio there. But we should be good. We should be good now. Get a few things adjusted. Sounds good. Looks good. $5. $5. What's Jack doing with all these $5? What's Jack doing with all these $5? All right, let me get a few things set up and we'll get going, shall we? How's everybody's trading day? How's everybody's trading been? Hit my daily loss limit today. Bad. It's not good. A little more disciplined. Where's the Nightbot at? Buenos tardes. ¿Cómo te va? Where's Jay at? Where's Jay at? Got to get him speaking Spanish. Let's see if I can get the risk disclosure in here. All right, welcome everybody. Welcome to Slow Markets. I'm Coach Dakota, Coach DBA. As always, in the YouTube chat is the Top Step Risk Disclosure. We know this is for educational purposes only, not a signals class. Now, what a day. What a freaking day here at Top Step. I mean, is there anything else? Like, what else? Everybody knows what's going on, right? Who's missed it? Who's been paying attention to what's going on? Let's hear from the chat. These markets are moving. We got a signal from the president. If we take a look, let's look at where's the signal at? Where's Trump's signal at? Where's the Trump signal? I don't know. Birdie has it that Trump was saying there's a big event coming out soon. I don't. Let's see. Let me look at it. On U.S.-China trade talks, maybe something's going on. Do we get a buy signal from the president? Maybe. We're gonna find out. It looks like we did. Sure as hell looks like we did. All right, let's look at that. Let's look at the daily chart. Let's do our top down. You can see I'm in a sim account. Oh, there's my combine. There it is. I've been practicing on a combine and it passed it, but since it's only a coach's, I don't get an XFA, right? Because I already have a live account. So I'm going to be testing out gold tonight. We're going to try a gold breakout trade tonight in a practice account in the combine. So we'll get that set up. News came at exactly market open. Really? What was the news, everybody? New war between India and Pakistan. Trade talks, U.S.-China trade talks. Yeah, I seen this one where it said 5 India aircraft shot down, soldiers taken prisoner. So there's some political conflict going on. That was a 3-bar reversal on the daily. No trade talks with China. Trade talks with China. Well, I mean, this market's reacting. Nasdaq's up 1% tonight. Let's continue to zoom in. Let's see where we're at. Let's see where this market. You can see we came back down and we tested these 700s and we just completely ripped and rallied right off those, right back through these 20,000. And it looks like we even broke through the 20,100s. Let's zoom into an hourly chart, and then at the top of the hour, so in about 23 minutes, we'll take a look at the gold and see if we can have a gold breakout trade. Now, hourly chart, I mean, we did come down and test this. This is where I took my loss. I took the loss in the New York session. Everybody tuning in, minus $3,000, which is pretty small for, you know, the way that I have been trading. So $3,000 loss is on the smaller side. I don't mind. I've lowered my risk. In this environment. So $3,000 loss is going to be my losing days, which is going to be honest, not bad when I had my daily loss limit at 5,000. So I had my best month in a while in April. So I had an amazing April. Lowered my daily loss limit. Let's tighten that thing up and let's see if we could make some money for May. We'll see. We'll see about May. If traders are all the pocket watchers. But we came down here. We tested these 750s. I was looking for a breakdown. So I was looking to take a trade from a breakdown of this level and seeing if we could come down and test 700. So I was going for 50 points here. That little breakdown where we broke through that to go test this next level. We did not get it. We tested, we ran liquidity, and just rallied. It was just straight up from there all the way up to 20,020s. So a beautiful, basically a 300-point banger from low to high. And, I mean, tonight, is there anything else to be said? Just straight up so far. Headlines. Look at that. Just, I mean, we've seen some volatility coming in at what looks like around noon, lunchtime, and straight up, right back down. Consolidated, pushing a little bit lower, and looks like to the end of the day, it looks like we started selling off. And tonight we gapped down and straight up. Well, just your casual 330 points in 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. And now what we're seeing is kind of just a flagging pattern. And I mean, it looks like we broke down, faked out all the people that were buying up here, and then straight up. We're right back up near these highs. This market is freaking bullish. I meld look at that. Up, consolidation, straight up. Let's move on because I want to talk about gold. I want to talk about GOLD, gold. We did, man, what a we continued rallying throughout the New York session. Okay. Let's look at the daily here in gold. And last couple days, what a ripping rally, right? Just $220. I mean, we take all this time, almost 2 weeks of just selling off, and those 2 weeks worth of a sell-off just completely gone by 2 days worth of buying pressure. Or just a straight rally. Looking at the hourly chart, we had that positive news come out. You can see this is one heck of a trend, right? Just such a trending market, and we broke it. Is this now bearish? Is this a reversal in gold? Someone says, I missed a short. We'll see. I'm looking at the top of the hour. I'm going to be watching it. I mean, look at that nice trend. Look at that nice trending market here in gold. So I'm looking at the top of the hour to look for a breakout. And that's right at, let's see, right at 8 p.m. Central is what I've been watching. Let's watch this. That's why I'm in this combine. That's why I want to trade and test gold out tonight. We've been seeing some amazing moves. I'm going to practice it. While I do that, let's get some music on. There we go. Let me know if it's too loud. Let me know if the music's too loud. And good to go. Good to freaking go. Oh, look. Nice. What's everybody's thoughts on the live funded account benefits? What's everyone's thoughts? Look at gold selling off here. Who's short gold? Some Amazonian dance music. short gold. Look at that sell off. Look at this. Look at the DOM too. It's looking like it's the NASDAQ over here. Could we explain those benefits again? Heck yeah. Let's go over them. I'm excited. I love it. And you know what the funny thing is? It was a interesting example of how Topstep. Oh, I got him. I just got this text message. I just got this message from the team confirming we got a new update. We got a new update live. Let me make sure. New update live. So you guys are getting news and live updates. This is breaking news. Slow markets. I'm gonna go over everything right now. Right here, right now. So I got so much coming at me right now. Let's see if we could get all this. Okay. Okay. Oh, there it is. Let's see if I could get this pulled out. Come on. I'm struggling over here. Struggling. Okay, that's it. Let's make sure I got everything correct. There's Danielle. Danielle in the chat. Look at gold selling off. Gold's just not stopping. Look at this. Look at this. It's just, man. Everyone who's short gold is getting paid. Coach Hoop, are you short gold? Are you in here tonight? Let me make sure I got it. Okay, I have everything. I have everything now. So first of all, let's look at this. Take a look at this, everybody. Live account performance bonus. Everyone see this? Of course you can. Live account performance bonus. Those 7 levels. Where if you're in a live account and you make this profit, and at the end of the month you get whatever bonus that you're on. So, for example, this is the very first month. We're in May, and let's say I make $25,000 in May. Well, for May, I'm gonna get that level 1 bonus, right? But as a trader, the very next month, June, next month, maybe I get $5,000. And the next month, maybe I grow the account. So you gotta understand that in 7 months, if a trader is able to let's just say I make $1 million, very first month, $1 million, first month. I'm just an amazing trader. KJ is one of the amazing top #1 here at Topstep live traders. Just first month, boom, $1 million. Then you essentially get all these levels 1 month at a time, right? As long as you don't just blow it all up, right? It's, oh man, I made $1 million. Let's just consistent, grow. And yeah, each month, hey, $1,000, put it in the bank. 5,000 next month, put it in the bank. 10,000 next month, put in a bank. I love this. I'm excited. This incentivizes traders to grow. Now, the internet's a funny thing, right? Chat, you know it. You understand it. The internet is an absolute funny thing. This is purely coming from Topstep, right? This is only a positive. Nothing. What's negative about this? Pure positive. It's a benefit that Topstep is investing in its traders, in its good traders, in traders performing in the live markets. It's the right thing to do. I love it. I see it. And it's beautiful. But the internet's a funny thing. And I'll explain why. Let's look at this next one first. And then I'll explain why. This one explains it, right? Here's a better explanation. Hit your profit target, end the day at or above the target balance, earn your performance bonus. We deposit cash. We deposit the cash, and you unlock the next level, right? Make 15,000, boom, $1,000 cash. Hit the next profit goal, climb the ladder, right? You're climbing a ladder, climbing, taking that profit. One bonus per month, one level at a time. That's what I'm saying. In 7 months, you continue to grind it out. Now, I think some of the questions you could go through. I don't want to take too much time in it, but that's okay. I don't mind. I'm going to answer questions tonight. It's beautiful. And it's just so insane to me how the internet can take such a positive benefit, dig through it, find like a very, like a questionable sentence, and flip the script and try and turn a very positive thing that a company's doing and make the worst of it, right? It's interesting. It's funny. And it looks like Topstep just released a note. Topstep just released a note while I went live. Remember, this is news to me as well. And clearing things up, right? And I'm going to talk about it. Look at this. We launched something great, and then we let the lawyers, quote, lawyer it. This is funny. Yeah, like if cool. Let's be very clear. Yes, the Topstep X Live Performance bonus is real. Yes, it's actually cash in your live account. Yes, you can take your bonus as a payout, and the rules haven't changed. Nothing's changed. No, we're not giving them. I don't know what I don't know why that one. That's okay. Come on. But that's it, right? That is it. Now, where the internet I find is kind of funny. Now, I'm gonna point this out. It's because it's true. Is if you missed it, there's some information. There's an information link. Here, look, I posted it. More details here. You could click on this, and I'll explain it. Here it is. Here's all the details. I don't mind. Look, we'll put this baby in the chat too. Here are the details. You go through it. It give you all the details. Here's what to know. Go through, read this. You click on learn more, right? We want to learn more, earn. It goes through the details. The bonus ladder, basically everything that Topstep explained. Here's the nice graphics. You could click full detail page. Full detail page. Click on that, and that will explain it more in depth, right? More in depth. One level at a time, one bonus, everything that I've explained. And then frequently asked questions. But here's why the lawyers lawyered it, right? Trading involves risk. This is normal. This is normal. Trading involves risk. You know that. I do the Topstep risk disclosure. You click on see the terms, and you read this disclaimer. And this is where the internet and the lawyers, quote, lawyered it, because everybody online who just, I don't know what's on with them. Competitors, right? Whenever there's change, whenever there's competitors out there, they're always going to find some little detail. So, yeah, go through that. This is common. Risk disclosures, and go through that. But, yeah, sometimes the lawyers lawyer it. So there's, I think, one sentence out there that raised the question. And the internet does what the internet does best. Looks for negativity and tries and gets those clicks and views. Trying to get those click and views. Those clicks and the views. And the clicks and the views. So, yeah. Love it. Thanks, Danielle. Thanks, Topstep, for clarifying that. Sometimes it needs to be clarified. No good deed is goes without punishment, right? Who's your vote? Who's gonna get to level 7 first? I think KJ has been doing an amazing trading. So shout out to KG. I don't know. I'm gonna try. Oh, I'll keep everyone posted on my own. Yeah. It's like, wow, free money. Let's find some way to talk shit. Right? That's kind of what happened. Free money, bonus, investment into a lot good traders. Who does that? It's a scam. Haters gonna hate. And I'm just like, damn. Is this really what level of people are? Like, it's okay to ask questions. Maybe that's how they get their exercise, right, chat? Right, everybody? That's how they get their exercise. Jumping to conclusions. Anybody get that one? Who got that? Anyone get that dad joke? Getting their exercise, jumping to conclusions. Come on. We know you loved it. Oh. So I think that's it, right? That's it. Anything else? Any other questions? All the details shared, shown, questions asked, questions answered, things clarified, benefits given. I'd assume a lot of people who hit the first level milestone are also eligible for a payout. Oh, you know what, Danielle? You know what doesn't get enough credit? Did everybody know? Now, hear me out. Did everybody in the chat know that after 30 profitable days in a live account, the payouts are daily? Payouts are daily in live accounts. I could take a payout with, yeah, that's been the thing. I don't know why traders made a big deal out of that. It's been there for Topstep since, at least I remember. They don't know that. It's a normal thing. Live accounts. And there's no payout caps in live. There's... Yeah, nice stuff. On to the next. What now that's over, everybody. Now the rest of the shops and the rest of everybody, they could all scramble and start catching up. Let's move on to the next thing. What's next, Danielle? While everyone's busy catching up and trying to figure it out, maybe pulling an all-nighter on that, we should be focusing on the future. What's next? Topstep VIP season 2, the next season's coming out. The bracket orders. Fun summer, lots of things. I mean, we have the studio popping off in Chicago. Yeah. Season 3 draft is going to be coming out. So, yeah, well, the rest of those others, like I said, now they could be spending their time catching up, and we're moving on. Another meeting about the studio this week and the Chicago experience. I'm excited for the studio and the Chicago experience in person. You could finally get to see me in real life. I don't know. Oh no, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Lito, I don't get to. It's random. Live accounts are the best. New dash for internationals when? Hopefully soon. I'm a little over 6 foot, Alex. A little over 6 foot. Gold kind of rolling over. Yeah, we're coming up at the top of the hour. Let's watch gold. Let's watch gold. Top of the hour. I am. I'm AI generated. Gold's bouncing. Let's zoom in. Let's watch this gold. Let's watch it from a few different angles. We'll pull up a 100 tick chart. Okay, top of the hour is gonna hit in 1 minute. Do we see if there's a setup to sell this baby? I need to grow some. I'm not 6'1", but I'm not 6 foot. I'm like 6.5 all right? That half is important. And I'm trying to get back down to 10% body fat. Quote. What are you talking about? I'm not as tall as Baron. Baron's a tall guy. Yeah, live means you're profitable and consistent. I want to see more. Hopefully this is a trendsetter. Topstep sets the trends. The others just follow. Oh, wow, look. They're doing live account benefits. Let's do it too. I'm killing your focus right now. Measure height by centimeters. It's more accurate. All right, let's get into a short here. Let's see if we could break to a low. We're at the top of the hour. There's a pivot right there, right at these 3380s. Let's see if we can get into the trend and make some money. Where's my take profit? Oh, I'm going to trail it. This is a combine, so I'm testing this out. We're testing this out. We're seeing if we could trade some gold during slow markets. I'm not a great gold trader. Let's see if we could get a continuation lower. This is like listening to Xerox? Is that Phoenix? Jay's going to be joining me Mondays and Wednesdays. And Baron, I don't know. Do we have anything confirmed yet, Danielle? I think Thursdays is probably best for me. All right, let's scale into a trade here in gold. Thursdays. There you go, Danielle. Thank you. Thank you. Alex says you come on for Tuesdays. Any talk of increasing the starting DLL or how it's increased in live? I'm not sure. I do know the conversations with the risk team. All right, I don't. Doesn't look like we're gonna be selling off. Oh, we're gonna type this. Who sells gold, man? I keep saying that. But where's Hoag? I need Hoag's voice. Don't sell gold. Don't sell gold. What the heck are you doing selling gold? Who sells gold? All right. No one sells gold. Okay. We're going to see if this one works. I mean, that looks like a fair value gap to me. You just don't sell this. You don't sell gold. Just freaking close your eyes and buy it. Remember, top step risk disclosure. Where are we at? Top step risk disclosure. Where are we at? Look. I'm gonna end this stream, Danielle. You gotta be freaking kidding me. That's all you do. Just buy it. Just buy it. What's something else, man? What's something else? Take notes. Take notes. Dakota also got programmed by ICT. Coach Jay taught me. He said something about talking about fair value gaps. It's not working. Fair value gap my ass. Hey, at least we got the music. Let's focus on the music. I need to find some good tunes. I need some positive vibes. This we're gonna scalp it. We're sizing up. I'm gonna size up and scalp this thing. Dang, NASDAQ. Sell this mofo. I tried. Let's trade an inverted FVG. Okay, let's do it. Chat, you're going to teach me. This is going to be an opposite where chat teaches me. That we're in a combine and chat teach me. I got the 1 minute chart pulled open over here. Shout out a fair value. We're doing this, man. Just buy gold. Short on the next push up. I want to understand it. Come on. I'm in this to learn. Rule number 1. Don't short gold unless today it's okay. All right, let's find these fair value gaps. Come on, we're searching. We're searching. Okay, okay. So far, so good. Do we find the fair value gap on the minute or the 100 tick? Let's look for the minute. Let's look for the minute. Okay. So far, I'm not seeing any gaps. Oh, are we creating one now? Is this a gap? I don't know ICT, guys. I don't know ICT, everybody. But I'm open to learn. This is an inverse gap? Okay, okay. Okay, there's a gap, right? This is a gap. Is that the gap? Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Ah! I'm learning something. That's a gap. Chad just saying yes to screw with me. That's a bullish gap. Okay. Short now. No, don't use it on the 100 tick chart. Okay, we just touched it. Use it on the 5 minute, 1 minute. What happened to the music? Damn, man, that was a gap for sure. The 1 minute's okay. All right, we're gonna do this. I'm doing this the right way. We're buying this market. Okay, this is a better setup the way I like it. I'm not. This is a Coach DBA setup. This is a higher low, and we're looking for a breakout. Oh, I don't want 5. I didn't want 5. I wanted 3. Well, we're in 5. We'll just trail it very tight. We'll keep it tight. We don't want to risk. We'll just keep it tight, tight and right. Let's see if we could break through these 84s. We'll trail this baby tight. Coach Dakota, do you do trades overnight? Yes, but not when FOMC is tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a big day, everybody. We have FOMC tomorrow. It's a very big day. A gap consists of 3 candles. Okay. All right, let's just add to this. If we break 85.8, I'll add. Okay, we'll add some right there. Risking $600 on this trade. Looking for a push higher, back up to these 92s. Keep it tight. We don't sell gold. Let's see if we can break through 89 now. Back up to 400? 3,400? Can we get that follow through? There's some resistance here. Woo, risking 400. Do we bail on this? Do we bail? Or we just fair value gapped right there? Do we lock in 300? Or am I okay with risk of 300? Lock in 300. Keep that risk a little bit loose. Chat saying bail. Do we bail on this? Do we bail and wait for another setup, chat? Oh, I have a hard time bailing on this trade though. It's a decent trade. Over here on the 1 minute. I should have, yeah, well. Risk it for the biscuit. We're buying gold. I'm trying to get into a long gold. I'm glad I bailed. Yeah, I was looking for that one of those gold rippers. Those gold rippers. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to scale into a big position. And you're going to watch me do it. Yeah, the fact that we failed. No bueno. No bueno. No puedo más. No puedo más. Daniel says, you like when I could speak Spanish? Duolingo is proud of me. Even Danielle's out here trolling. Yo quiero dinero. Yo quiero Mucho dinero. Part of your job. Mucho trabajo, poquito dinero. Yo quiero Taco Bell. Come on, Hoop. Trying to be serious here. I've never traded UB. Jimmy trades. Why no trades for FMC? I'm just talking about tonight. I'm trying to kind of get back into gold. Donde estás? Coach Hoop. I don't know if you're just trolling or you can speak Spanish. Vince? Coach Vince speaks Spanish. Very good too. You keep telling me a vlog clip? Uh-oh. You want to see me boxing? You want to see me boxing, huh? All right, let's get this. Let's get this. Sell that gap. Fair value gap. Inverted. That's inverted fair value gap right there. Right there. Right? Is this a fair value gap? Add. Yes, it is. Ah, sí. Sí, está bien. Add. Tighten up the risk. Hey, I'm calling them out. See, I know. Took me one day. Question is, will Danielle let me curse in Spanish? Yeah, that's the new headline. Pump that out on social media. Boxer learns fair value gap in 5 minutes. Lash on. Remember, chat, this is just a combine, and we are learning this gold. We are learning how to gold. We're learning Coach Hoop. This is Coach Hoop's playground here in gold. Not every FVG is valid. Alex, are you Googling curse words now in Spanish? Gringo Mandingo. Looks like a freaking merry-go-round. It looks like we're selling off, and it looks like we're going to break this pivot. It also looks like we're going to come down and we're going to test this pivot down here at 68, and then we're going to break through this. That's the game plan, chat. We're going to break this. We're going to test that, then break this, and make that. And this is the music for it. Oh, this music's intense. Well, it was for a second. Yeah, right here. We're holding these 77s. Put some reggaeton. There's a lot of cussing in reggaeton. Let's see. Yeah, that, I don't know. That fair value gap's just not as. It was not the fairest of fair value gaps. That was an unfair value gap, is what that was. Learned a little Korean. Is there such thing as an unfair value gap? Because that was just unfair. Got to the 81.1 and just right back down. Ooh, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. We're shorting gold tonight. Scott, what do you think? What did I think of the announcement? I went over it at the very beginning, like the first 10 minutes of class. Rewatch it. Life funded account benefits, everybody. Topstep is cooking, and the rest are catching up. All the others could do is just talk smack. And they're not even that good at it. This isn't a class, stop calling it. Yes, it is. You're going to learn something today. Just watch. Well, so far so good. We broke through that pivot. Let's go test this pivot, the lower 70s. We're going to add. Whoa. Ooh. question is if we can hold this for a pullback. Okay, we test it. Now the game plan is we get a pullback, and then we smash it. Drag my stop loss down? Well, I was actually thinking of giving it a little bit more room. Do we give it some more room so it pulls back and does another fair value gap type thing? You think it's stopping me? We're on step 2 now. We tested this support. We're getting a bit of a pullback. Step 3 is a smash. The like button. Lito says, you were here last year when I made 40,000. Yeah. See? Shout out to you for hanging around. I love that. I've made 40,000 in a day. Yeah, I already passed this combine once. I had to have the team reset it so I could pass it again because I already have my live account and this is just a coach's account for demonstration purposes only. Risk disclosure. Shout out to wherever the heck the Nightbot is tonight. There it is. Oh, is the Nightbot set up on verbal cues? Risk disclosure. Risk disclosure. Oh. Oh. Yeah, market's a lot different than what it was last year. Hey, there's game plan. Game plan. That's a pretty good song. Uh-oh, this wasn't part of the game plan, though. And we're just chilling. Fake out, shake out. You guys loving this? How's class? Shaking to the music. We're jamming out tonight. Oh. Okay, let's get out of this market now. Let's get out of a couple of them. See if we can. You're learning today, whoever that was earlier. And that's why I call it class. What did we learn today? What did we learn today? Get out while you can. Always short gold. Oh. Never a doubt. Is that what you learned, Envy? Rewatch it. Never trade without a fire playlist. That is the lesson of tonight. Scale to losers. Trade recap. That was the entry criteria. I missed it. Your brain is smushed. Drink chocolate mill. I learned to take entries at your exits. All right. Great trade management. Didn't let it become a loser. Stop loss is the best entry. Milk. Don't short at support. Short the fake break into support. Get out. Who likes to... How is that example of scaling in, everybody? You like that example? Nacho Libre says, Topstep is cooking, but not Dakota. Should be called Dakota losing markets. All right. Good on you. That's a high IQ comment right there. Come on the show, Nacho Libre. Put up or show up. People realize it's nice behind the keyboard. It's nice behind the keyboard. You have a crystal ball. It's an alt account. It's an alt account. They're trying to. Traders try and ruffle my feathers. Good night, Segi. What made me get out of there? Support. Probability of becoming support again. Is it still a good short? Possibly. Yeah, Jimmy Trades. Jimmy Trades. Any negativity I typically see online or anywhere, it's just rage or clickbait. Looking for clicks, looking for views. Maybe some misunderstanding, right? It's okay to have a little bit of misunderstanding. Claro que sí. Claro que sí. Don't worry, Pookie. Can you go over that trade? Yeah. Yeah, let's go over this trade. Come on. Let's go over. What was I seeing? ICT, ABC, just follow me. Let's look at this trade, right? We had this low right near the top of the hour, and we made a pivot high. We sold off and we made a higher low, right? I was getting in long. I was getting in long, and I was looking for a breakout higher, and I was looking for this market to make a higher high. So I was looking for this market to at least test or break out of this 92. So this is the pivot, right? Higher low. We started to consolidate for a little bit, and I was looking for this market to break out. We failed. We did not. This market did not. Okay. We actually made a pivot, a lower high, okay? And we started to sell off. And so once we made that lower high, I'm like, okay, well, we can come back down and test this pivot. Or if we do break through this one, we can test this next one at 3370s. And this trend has been down, right? We've had this nice sell-off, right? Look at this nice sell-off. So okay, well, let's do it. Let's get in. Let's get in with it. And so you see me scale in, build a position, and sure enough, we came down. We tested this one. We bounced. That was looking a little bit questionable. But as soon as we broke through, we of course went and tested this. Now, of course, I was looking for this market to maybe break down and sell all the way off, but we didn't. We actually bounced off of it, and now we're right back down in this zone, which we see. Support resistance zone. Now there's actually looking like maybe there could be a decent trade for a breakout. I don't know. Let's watch and see. Yeah, being angry is overrated. Life's too short to be angry. Nacho Libre. That's a movie, right? Nacho Libre is a movie. Jack Black. Oh, yes. Okay. That's what he was named after. Nacho Libre. Black Swan, sí. Sí. Claro que sí. Yeah, mad, worrying about things, worrying about others, all that stuff, stress. Why? Why? Everything you stress about turns up to be just... You're worrying about something that might not even affect you, right? Does this affect me? Yes or no? Odds are it won't. If it does, then change something about it. Do something. If you can't, then no, right? Like, Damn, I can't do anything about it. So why are you upset? The bakery. Man, that's a personal problem. Wait, it's done laundry. Claudie. Name of the playlist? I mean, this is just... Right, I don't even know these songs. They are non-copyright music. Yeah, we're breaking through those 80s. Are we going to come back up to these mid-80s? Let's see. What's NASDAQ doing? I kind of left out NASDAQ for a little bit. NASDAQ's seeing some freaking volatility tonight, if that's... that fair value gap, it was fair. Okay, it was not unfair. It was almost unfair, but it was fair. We got that nice 90, 100-point rally, and now we're selling right back off. This to me, is this a higher low? Is this a higher low, chat? I like it. Let's see if I could do the same thing. Let's get it. Let's get it. Same thing, same concept. DBA concepts. Let's see if this is going to become a higher low. Risking $300. We'll risk 400. DBA concept. Higher highs and higher lows. Right? It's DBA concepts. Looking for higher highs or higher lows, higher highs. Nacho. This is a... No, we don't do silver bullets, Claude. We're doing gold bullets. This is a DBA gold bullet concept. Good night, Andrew. We're going to add right there. These look identical. Let's change this up a minute. We're going to add right there, too. Risking $1,200 now. I need to get back and buy the dip mode. We need to get back and buy the dip mode. Dakota needs to be a better buyer of markets than seller. No, this is short. Woo, woo, get out, get out. We'll get back in if it presents itself again. 100 contracts just came in at the ask at 040. The Nikkei, please. I'll get back in if it holds. Dakota, did you talk about the new live payout? Yes, I did. I did. Yes. All right, I'm going to get back into that position. I definitely did not want to risk whatever that was. There's the algorithms. I think that was the market makers right there. Definitely. Market makers just hunting my stop. What is the new rule of payout? There's no payout rules change. There's no change in rules, everybody. There's no change. No change. Just an added benefit for live account traders. Why does everybody think there's a change? Woo! We're going to add to that. Must be something I don't know about. Waiting for your first payout. Super excited. Congratulations. Great work. Mm-hmm. Do any days transfer over to live? Have to see a close above 63.68? So you're looking for way up here, huh? I get that. I see that. Can I be profitable if I stick to only one and only strategy? Yeah. I mean, some of the most profitable traders, they stick with one strategy and they make adjustments and they, you know, manage risk, find ways to manage risk better. What do my parents think of my profession? I have been making money in these markets full time from college. So, of course, when you're a college student, it's always questionable, right? Go into a steady job, get into this job. And I worked part-time, and I also traded. But yeah, I've been trading as my primary source of income. Now, it's not just day trading futures. I'm going to be honest. This is difficult. This can be very difficult, day trading futures. I'm doing this to help traders here at Topstep. This account is for day trading futures. I trade options, I trade stocks, and I'm day trading here. I think I struggle the most with the actual day trading. What I find the easiest for me is mid to longer term options. And so I've been doing it for basically half my life. I'm 31. So yeah, basically half my life, my income has came from trading. And when I say trading, I'm not just saying this right here, day trading the NASDAQ. Nope. This is just an example. It's a smaller source of income. And yeah. And I love helping traders. Why are you trading like you just started? I don't get that one. Nacho. Follow 30 min or 1 hour candle for strong trend. See money, take money. Ooh, I would love if Topstep added options, futures options. I mean, this genre is, it's not a play. This is not copyright music, and it's reggaeton. I was born in 93. I'm 31. I haven't really traded crypto. No crypto from me. Reggaeton. Reggaeton. Rag a ton. What's my skincare routine? Uh-oh. I take care of myself. I take care of my skin. I take care of my body. The words "you are what you eat." It's a saying for a reason. You eat junk, you struggle with your body, right? But when you eat good, you eat healthy, then you feel good. And so a lot of what my, quote, skincare routine is comes from diet, eating healthy, and simply cleansing your face. I wash my face. I use a facial cleanser, and I use lotion. I know that might surprise a lot of people, but the basic hygiene is extremely important. Not just every once in a while. Consistency, right? We're talking consistency in these markets. It's the same. I'm an option seller, yes. Most of my options are for premium. Theta gang. It was not on your bingo card. Yeah, we do that. Those banana peels and sparkling spring water. What is that? What is that? What is that? Spring water? Sparkling water memes, or what is that? Saratoga, yeah, Saratoga spring water. I was doing that before it was cool. No, I have something better than Saratoga spring water, and I've been doing that for years. Saratoga spring water. Let's see. Yeah. I don't even. That's not even good stuff. That's not good stuff. That's silly. Your favorite spring water? Yeah, we keep holding this level. We keep holding these 40s. Let's see if we can build. I'm going to build a position before we end out of class. We're going to give it one last college try. Risk about 1,500, 1,800 right there. And I'll build if we go in. I'm fine with risking 1,500. Have a $1,000 winning session. No one's guessed it. It's thermal water. It's an actual skincare product. And the occasional ice bath, of course, after boxing or getting sore muscles. All right, let's get this. Let's get this. Come on, Naz. Some DBA concepts. We're going to add. Tighten up the risk. We're going to add another one. Another one. Tighten up the risk even more. Let's see if we can get this break now. Oh yeah, and some banana pills. Gotta get that stuff. We need a break. Make or break right here, right now. If not, we're done, and we made $2 grand today. No, this is an ICT, the bullet. This is DBA. DBA concepts. Copyright. Wrap it, tie it with a bow, sell it for 50 bucks. $9.99. $1.99. Oh no, don't do this one. Well, 1,700 bucks. Call that one good. What a session. Lots of chop here. Let's see. Let's finish out. What did gold do? Gold did nothing. NASDAQ failed to break out. And that's it. Tomorrow is FOMC. It's a big day tomorrow. What is DBA? Those are my initials. Dakota. And then my middle initial, B. And then my last name starts with an A. So DBA. Also doing business as. So remember, tomorrow, FOMC. FOMC. It's a big day. Nacho, tune in. Tune in. Hopefully you tune in. I think that's it. I think we covered it all. Life funded account benefits are here. Everything's actually looking good. Oh, there you go, Nightbot. There we go. There we go. Claude, I don't think I'll ever... I would not... I will not be flashing around a Lamborghini. Alex, you wish. You wish, my man. Take care. Enjoy. And I'll see you tomorrow.